super sweaty. Okay, quick break. What's up guys, just popping in to put away some laundry. It is pretty late, but I'm getting a spark of energy, a boost of energy, and this is what I'm dealing with. A decent amount of laundry there that I've been putting off. I don't usually do this, but in the last little while I've been super busy with a bunch of stuff and getting the timing right. Things have been going on, always progressive and productive, but I'm gonna put away this laundry now, so I'm gonna leave you guys on a time lapse and I will check in a little bit. Putting away laundry is indeed an arm workout. I'm telling you, my arms are like, I'm feeling it in my shoulders. So I don't know what it is. Try putting away your laundry, try hanging things up, reorganizing your closet. I am telling you. Anyways, back to it. But also guys, I wish that I could share with you some more information about some of these amazing pieces of clothing that I'm showing you. These are things that I've accumulated both from my mom, actually, things that she's kept and held on to over time, thinking that I would like maybe when my style changed, and she was right. I'm always grabbing things from my mom, things she's getting rid of. We're always sharing things, which is great. Reduce, reuse, recycle, recycling. My mom actually just came to me and showed me a top that she cut herself into a vest, and it's so cool, this knit. I'll insert a clip here, or I will show you guys my mom wearing it very soon. But yeah, I think I really do get my creativity from her, for sure. And so many of a lot of these things you guys have been seeing me wear in other videos, previous videos, also like the get ready with me video that I do have linked below, some cool pieces there. I'm really trying to wear all of my clothes because I have some amazing, all of my clothing is amazing, I love it all. But I don't know if you guys can see from that far back angle, but what I do, as I've talked about a little bit in previous videos, organizing laundry and my clothing and room organization and clothing storage and stuff like that, what I do is I like to roll things up. As you guys can see, my open storage here. Open storage also I found has really worked for me because I am someone that needs to see their clothes. I'm a visual person. I like to look and put outfits together as I go, in colors and things. I'm always coming up with interesting style ideas and things like that. I'm a visual person, and I found this really helps organize, and just shelves where you can open storage really, essentially. And in the closet, I like to try and color code best I can, but rolling too, I feel like it keeps your clothes clean, it keeps them relatively dust free, and you can really see everything you have, and that means you'll wear it. So that's really worked for me, putting away and organizing things. And it's good to always reorganize every now and then because you see, again, move things around, you know, shift things as you wear them for each season, as the seasons change. In Canada, absolutely, where I'm from, the seasons are changing, and I haven't even worn half of my winter knits, which are in a bin in the closet. I don't know if you guys can see very well, but that's a another thing I started doing is clear storage. Open storage if not open, clear. So I will peep and show you guys again my storage systems, and I will link or make little notes to clickable notes and links to the videos both here and down below, where you guys can see how I operate in terms of storage in my room. And also let me know in the comments or DM me on Instagram, send me an email suggesting any organizational things that you guys would like to see, content like that. I'd be happy. I'd love to share. So let me know anything you guys want to know, but I'm just gonna continue. Just thought I'd pop and sit down for a little chat, lay down I guess. And this outfit I'm wearing now is just a Shein. I've mentioned this and shown you guys before. I just watched Really Carly, I love her, on YouTube, and she was talking about some Fashion Nova sets that I'm gonna check out. As much as I want to be wearing all of the clothes I have, I do want to go scope those and see what colors they have there. So I'm gonna do that after this, and then watch some BABEE. BABEE I'm also loving right now on Netflix. So many great Netflix shows, but great shows and movies out all around, I know that. But yeah, I hope everyone is doing great and feeling great. I think I'm going to start trying out this weekly vlog style, just because I'm finding now that there's many things that are starting to fill up my time, and there will be a lot of updates on them coming soon. I will make sure to update you guys as I always do. And yeah, lots of new projects, exciting projects coming, developments, progress all around in all aspects of life. So I will keep you guys updated as usual. But I think this weekly vlog style is nice because I can pop in with more recipes, I can pop in with random workouts, I can pop in with little chats like this. I do want to read the health and happiness booster with you guys in this video because I feel like it's been a little while since we've done that. I'm gonna finish the laundry and I will pop back in for a quote and some goodbyes for now, and I will see you guys in a bit. finished putting away the laundry, as you saw. Grabbed our 365 health and happiness boosters book because I didn't want to forget to read the quote for the day. I'm super sweaty, so I'm gonna jump into a shower right after I read this and then relax for the night. But before I leave, and then I will pick up the vlog, of course, tomorrow, I'll read our quote. So today, take a satisfaction break. We can get so caught up in the rat race of our lives that we never take the time to appreciate our accomplishments. That was certainly true for me, even as a child. I got an A on the test, but I was always focused on the next test or the next course. When I had a best-selling book, I was busy focusing on the next book. Would it do as well? As a consequence, I never got to experience the happiness that comes from meeting a goal. I just raced on to the next one. One day, my friend Donna said to me, "You need to take a satisfaction break. Yes, you have more to do, but right now, can't you enjoy what you have already done?" Her words rang in my ears. So how about taking a satisfaction break right now? Make a list of the accomplishments you are proudest of, and then read over your list and appreciate yourself for all of your hard work. You've done a lot, so celebrate already. That's so cute. Alright guys, so that was our little health and happiness booster. That was a pick-me-up for me, absolutely. I love that sometimes, and a lot of the times, almost every one of these quotes I read just either make you think, stop and think, and take you out of your current situation and think of the larger world and the larger reality and the larger situation. So it's really beautiful how simple words can do that and resonate with so many people and resonate in different ways but really help. So I'm super sweaty, so I'm gonna go jump into the shower. I want to say goodnight from this end for me, and I will see you guys in the morning or the afternoon tomorrow. Love you guys, and I hope you sleep great or you're enjoying your day, whatever time it is for you, as long as you're enjoying.